Hi guys, today we're going to do some makeup. First, we're going to do eyeshadow.
Hold on. Let me help you.
No, I got it.
Oh, okay. Well, hold on. You tell them, hey.
Hey.
You're gonna tell them what you're gonna do.
I'm going to put eyeshadow on. We're going to do itty bitty mino, ishy kissy dino. I choose this.
Okay, we gotta tell them.
Okay, guys, we're going to put this on us. Be really careful because we're going to make.
Oh, you're doing so good. Now do the other eye. And tell them what you're doing.
Okay, we'll put this on. Be really careful because I know how to do it all by myself.
Are you getting ready today?
Yes, I'm getting ready for church.
What color are you putting on?
Brown right here.
You want to show them?
Okay. Here it is, guys. Right there. I'm going to do this one.
Hey everyone.
Hey everyone. Today I'm going to my mom. Here's me. No Baba, no Daddy.
Nobody, right?
No.
Just me and you.
Yeah, just me and Mommy.
And tell them we're matching today.
We're matching.
Yep, we're matching.
So I'm going to do the video all by myself.
Yeah, she don't want me being in it, guys, so... Okay. I'll take over, young lady. I gotta do my makeup, too. How am I supposed to do mine?
Wait till I do. Okay?
Okay, well, hurry up and do yours.
Wow. Okay, I'm going with the eyeshadow.
Okay, what's next? What are you gonna do next? Mommy's gotta get ready, too, baby.
Now for lipstick. Here it is.
Here. Hold on. What are you looking for?
Lipstick.
You gotta tell them. Hey. Say hey.
Hey.
They said hey, y'all.
Hey,
See, they
y'all.
said, hey.
Hey. Today I'm going to do lipstick.
Well, hold on. We gotta see what kind of lipstick you're gonna put on, because we have to make sure it matches. Alright, hold on.
Maybe this will match.
Stop.
Put it back.
Alright. Guess what you want to do. Do you need foundation? Do you need something to put on your face or no? You gotta show them. What color are you putting on?
This.
You gotta show it to them. Right. See? It's brown, isn't it? Be careful.
Okay. That's my first trick.
Let me see. Oh, it's so pretty. Show them. So pretty. Gorgeous. There you go.
And then
Now show them what you're doing.
okay, I'm doing the blush.
That's a brush. Easy, not so much. Okay. Oh, Lord. Go ahead. I'll wipe you off later. Gotta show it. You're crazy. Okay, don't put so much on. Don't put so much on. You don't want it to. I know, and it goes on your face, baby. It goes on your face. Over here. You gotta tell them.
color. I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. Okay, I'm going with this.
You done with that?
Yeah.
Okay. What's next?
And now for
Is that it?
the brush. And now for eyelash.
No mascara. What are you looking for?
When I get bigger.
Yeah, when you get bigger.
Hi guys, today I'm going to do my own makeup all by myself. Maybe this is fire. Mommy, is this fire?
Yeah.
Mommy, is this fire?
Ask them what they're doing today.
What's this doing?
No.
What are you doing today? You hang out with your family? That's cool. Okay, where's the brush?
The brush?
Right here?
Hold on. Here.
Okay.
Be careful. Don't push the whole thing in there. Don't put a whole thing in there, please. Okay, just a little bit. Here, is it too bright? Let's dim it down a little bit so they can see your face. Oh, changed it to yellow. Hold on. I want them to be able to see your face. Hey everyone, if y'all are joining, Miss Paisley wants to do a video. I have yet to do my makeup, so... But she wanted to do this herself. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Because I'm a big girl.
Yeah, you're a big girl. You've been begging, so we're doing it. You tell everybody, hey?
Hey.
So what are you putting on now?
This. You see?
Look, you have some kids watching you. Can you tell the kids, hey?
Hey.
Be careful.
Hey, kids. Where are the kids? I can't see them.
You can't see them. You can only see what they're writing. See? They say they're getting ready for church, and their 4-year-old is watching you.
Okay, I'm going with this.
Okay, well, we're almost done. What are you going to do now? You got eyeshadow on. You have blush.
Maybe I'm going to do this. What is that?
Hold on. Move. Watch out. I don't know if I can... Paisley, do you want to play with me? Oh, you do? Somebody said, you remember telling Mommy that you didn't want to play with me?
Where?
Do you remember telling Mommy that?
Where?
It's been a little bit. Do you remember saying, I don't want to play with you? You tell Mommy that most of the time, don't you?
In the bed?
No, downstairs.
Oh.
Do you want to play with Mommy? I can't get her to say it. Sorry. Is that what you need? All right, I need you to sit down. Now, what are you doing? What colors are you putting on? Put one that matches.
I choose purple one.
Anybody on here tell me what time it is? Actually, let's see if my laptop. Yep. We gotta get ready. I gotta get ready in a minute. Oh Lord, Jesus. How you like it?
Good. Okay, I'm going with this
Ask them,
one.
do they think it's pretty?
It's pretty.
It's pretty. All right, hey, we're almost done because we gotta really get ready for church and we gotta go. Mommy's gotta finish getting ready.
How about the mama one?
Huh?
How about the mama?
Mermaid one?
Yeah.
All right, after that, you're gonna have to tell them bye.
Bye.
No, you gotta, after that, after you finish.
Ow.
Paisley.
open.
Alright. After that, we're leaving.
Any, many, mine, no. You should kiss you, I know. I choose this one.
Okay. After that, I want you to tell him bye, okay?
Okay.
And tell him that you're leaving.
Okay, I'm going.
Alright. What do you tell them?
Alright.
What do you tell them?
Bye.
What else do you say? Is that it?
I love you. Bye.
Say have a good day.
Have a good day.
See you later.
See you later.